Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. This is week 12 assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. So this is the last assignment guys. So for the past 6 years we are providing solutions for various NPTEL courses. So these are completely our probable solutions. So please watch the video till then. Don't skip the video guys. You may miss some content if you do so. So first question, why is a directed graph mandatory for implementing page rank in the given code? So for first question, first option is the probable solution because page rank depends on the direction of influence between nodes. Guys, if you are new to our channel, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video if you do not. Right? Second question. For second question, second option is the probable solution. Next, third one, if a node has many outgoing edges, how does it affect its contribution? So for third question, third option guys. Next, fourth one, why does the case study include a manual Excel style simulation? For fourth question, fourth option, to help visualize a single iteration clearly. Next, fifth one, why is the page rank process iterative? For fifth question, second option, because convergence happens gradually. Sixth one, what is the main purpose of converting the points list into a dictionary? For sixth question, fourth option, to preserve node score association. Which type of node can create issues in page rank distribution? For seventh question, third option, nodes with no outgoing edges. Next, eighth one, why is sorting performed after computing final point values? For eighth question, second option, to rank nodes by importance. Next, ninth one, what happens if the user stops the iteration process too early? For ninth question, fourth option, rankings may be misleading. And before getting into the 10th question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs. For the course Joy of Computing using Python, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs guys. So these are past assignment MCQs. We are having the collection of 9 past semesters assignment MCQs with more than 6 years of NPTEL experience. So here you can see the 5 types of packs guys. So 125 MCQs pack, 150 rupees. 2 semesters questions, that means approximately 240 MCQs, 250 rupees. 3 semesters question, 360 MCQs, approximately 360 rupees only. And 600 MCQs, approximately 500. And 1000 plus MCQs, that means 9 semesters questions, 800 rupees guys. So if you increase the number of MCQs, corresponding price will be decreased, comparative price will be decreased. So validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So these are, you will get all these MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link guys. Restricted link, validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email ID if you're confirmed to make the purchase. Already many students and even professors have also taken our pack guys. So choose the better pack. So at least choose 360 MCQs pack to cover more questions, right? So that's it guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So 10th question, so for 10th question, fourth option, to validate the conceptual simulation. Next, 11th one, what property of page rank guarantees reliable results? For 11th question, third option, mathematical convergence. Next, 12th question, which factor most strongly increases a node's page rank score? For 12th question, third option, links from already important nodes. Next, why is a random graph generated in the later part of the code? So for 13th question, second option, to test scalability and behavior. Next, 14th one, why does PageRank still work even if initial points are changed? For 14th question, fourth option, because the algorithm converges to the same distribution. Next, 15th and final question, which statement best summarizes the PageRank idea demonstrated in the case study? For 15th and final question, fourth option, a node is important if important nodes point to it. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 12, the final assignment of the course Joy of Computing using Python. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, like this video, and don't forget to purchase this huge number of 1000 plus MCQs, and these are the number of packs, and you can see the prices, the number of semesters it covers and all. So these are past assignment MCQs. Validity will be till the exam results publishing day. So this is the mail ID bk179417@gmail.com. So that's it guys for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. Until the next video, goodbye, thank you, all the best for your final exam guys. So do well.